Welcome, dear student. Hopefully all are well in the pandemic situations. Now today I am taking class 12, business studies. Now today's topic is levels of management. Now previous class already discussed the pyramids of levels of management. Now today I am discuss the elaborately what is the uses of top level management, what is the uses of middle level management, or what is the use of lower level or supervisory level of management. Now, what is top level management? Top level management includes in chairman, vice chairman, chief executive officers, board of directors, those who are maintain the business policy, and actually this is the owner of the organizations or executive member of the organization. This is the top level management. Now it is ensure the emphasized on overall decisions and implement the principles to convey the subordinates, that is middle level and lower level. Now top level conveys the message middle level and middle level conveys the message in subordinates. So now what is the use? Now top level management. So now today top level management the top level manager is the maximum authority. It is the maximum authority, and it lays down the overall objectives of the organization. Clear? Main function. Number one, determining the objectives of the organization. Number one, determining the objective of the organization. Determining the objective of the organizations. Number two, framing of plans and policies. Framing of plans and policies. Framing of plans and policies, and all the plans and policy conveyed to the middle level management, those who are implemented by the subordinates. Clear? Next, number three, setting up of an organizational framework. Setting up of an organizational framework. Number four, assembling resources Number five, coordinating and controlling the performance, coordinating and controlling the performance, analyzing the business environment. Next, analyzing the business environment. Clear? Now the main function of this 6 type of function now includes on top level management, determining the objectives of the organizations, framing of plans and policies, setting up of a organization framework, assembling resources, coordinating and controlling the performance, analyzing the business environment. Clear? Now next, middle levels of management. Middle levels of management. Middle levels of management. Middle levels of management. The middle level, now it is the various, now it consists of various departmental heads. It consists of various departmental heads. Various departmental heads means that it is also under the top level management. It is under the top level management. Actually, it is the part of subordinate levels of top level management. Now, the middle level consists of head of the functional department like purchase department, production department, finance department, sales department, personnel department, human resource department, material department, etc. And also it includes the departmental heads or supervisor of the plant manager, operation manager, etc. And it is the main part of the all the news, all the decisions, those who are decided by top level management. Now this is the convey to the middle, convey to the subordinates, convey to the others, convey to the supervisory levels of management. Clear? Now this is actually coordination and cooperation of rules followed to the coordination and cooperation of the middle level and supervisory level or lower level management. MC Niles now given to the 6 main functions. Number 1, MC Niles gives 6 important functions are: number 1, interpret the policy framed by top management. Interpret the policy framed by top management. Number 2, ensure that their departmental has the necessary personnel. Ensure that their departmental for the necessary personnel. Next, to understand the interlocking departmental of measures policies. Next, to achieve the coordination and cooperation between the different parts of the organization. To achieve the coordination and cooperation of the different parts of the organizations. Next, analysis of duties and responsibilities of the concerns. Next, motivate them to achieve the desired results. Next, organize the motivated to the workers for the achieved goals. Next, cooperate with the departmentals for smooth functioning. Cooperate with the departmental to smooth functioning. Now, it is the indicator of the middle level management. Actually, is the main part of the coordination, cooperation to the others, to various types of organization, to various types of departmental, to interrelated to each other, Okay, clear? Now, today is now end my class. Okay, thank you.